Hello friends, and welcome to this Java programming course. I'm very excited to be your instructor, and I will do my best to give you all the knowledge and all the skills you need to become a programmer. My goal in this course is to take you from a complete beginner to a professional programmer who can solve complex problems by developing programs. So let's see, why would you take this Java course? Let's have a look at our outline. We will talk about the target audience, we will see the course syllabus, and also we will see the course structure. And finally, we will see why would you learn the Java programming language. Let's start by the target audience. This course is for anyone. So if you have no experience in computer science or programming at all, and if you want to develop your own programs using Java, or if you simply want to be a powerful programmer, this course is for you. Also, this course is for beginners. So if you are a computer science student, or if you are a self-learner, but you don't know anything about Java. Maybe you know some other programming language like C, C++, or Python for example, and now you want to learn Java. Or maybe you know Java, but you want to know more and you want to understand Java more. Then this course is for you. And finally, if you want to be an Android developer, this course is also for you, because Java can be used in Android development. Now let's see the syllabus of the course. This course is divided into two parts, the programming fundamentals part and the object-oriented programming part. In the programming fundamentals part, we will talk about the basics of programming. For example, we will talk about variables, data types, operators, conditions, loops, and methods. And these concepts are the basics of almost every programming language. So if you learn these concepts in Java, you will be able to apply them in other programming languages easily. So whenever we finish the basics and you have an idea of what programming is and you know how to write basic programs, we will move to OOP, or object-oriented programming, which is a very popular style of programming. So we will talk about concrete classes, objects, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, exceptions, abstract classes, interfaces, and file input-output. So as you can see, this is a huge course. I will not hold anything back. I'm going to teach you everything that I know to help you become a programmer. Now let's see the course structure. We're going to provide micro lectures and we will focus on theory and practice. So we will give you a lot of assignments. So you are going to practice everything that you learn. Now let's see, why would you learn the Java programming language? First of all, Java is a high-level, general-purpose, object-oriented programming language. So what does this mean? Basically, it is easy to learn because it is a high-level programming language and it can be used to develop any kind of programs, and this is because it is a general-purpose programming language. And Java is also an object-oriented programming language. This means that the object-oriented concepts are found in Java. So this makes Java a very popular and a very powerful programming language. So as I said, Java is popular, and this is very important because you can find a huge online community for getting help. Because as a developer, you will find yourself asking a lot of questions. So because Java is very popular, you will find answers for those questions. Now, as we said before, Java can be used in Android development, and Android development is a very important thing these days. So by learning Java, you will get the skills that will enable you to dive in Android development. Okay? And finally, Java is a C-based language. And as you may know, C is a very popular programming language. And if you learn Java, you will find learning C or C++ or C# easier, because C++ and C# are also C-based languages. Okay? So I hope you are excited as I am. And as I said, I will not hold anything back. I will give you everything you need to become a programmer. So if you decide to take this course, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.